I say no school, you say yeah. No school.
Yeah.
No school.
Yeah.
When I say no school, you say yeah. No school.
Yeah.
No school.
Yeah.
Sulphur PD, give me your guns. What now, bruh? Can I stay here?
No. Suffolk Police Department, we're here to search the premises.
Do you have a search warrant?
No.
Then bye. We have all reached the verdict. We find the defendant Haley Langclose not guilty for stealing the carrot.
Wow! I finally got my trial.
See that dude?
Yeah.
Say your own risk.
Who says that? Management.
Dude, this chair's weird.
Yeah.
Think I should lean forward?
Go ahead, dude.
I'm suing Haley. I'm sorry, Mama! Yo. Hey, I'm talking to you guys. Wait.
Can I stay here?
Oh my God. Really?